Science remains one of the broadest fields in the academic milieu. It is believed that students who venture into this aspect of study are driven by passion. Visiting the science laboratory of CUIB Entrepreneurial High School in Molyko, it is a busy day for these upper seat science students. The dissection of a chick is a practical exercise in which the students are engaged. What is dissection? This is the question that biology teacher Elvis Mufo, who serves as a school's academic dean too, tackles.
Dissection is simply, you cut open the internal cavity, you cut open an organism to display the internal organs and every other feature which is internal. Of course, we start by, discussing about the external before cutting open the organism. That's just essentially dissection, to cut open to display the internal system of the organism.
This science student, who is a GCE candidate for this 2025, explains the process involved in the dissection of a chick.
We began by incising a little portion of the fowl. Before that, we even wet it, then incise, then cut a little part of it right towards the trachea. Then we gently now removed the intestines, the digestive diverticulum, and other parts of the fowl. Then, since we were dissecting from the left, we had to display our organs to the right, and this is something that a lot of students really do forget during their examination, because this thing, although being so small, a lot of students do forget and makes them to lose a lot of marks. So
the importance of this particular topic in these students' future professions cannot be overstated, as emphasized by the dean.
Dissection is also important in the sense that when we do the theory in class, we talk about, for example, the systems of organisms, reproductive system, excretory, transport, and so on. When they dissect, they have the opportunity to see those systems, the structure, and see how they are interconnected, and we talk about other things. For those who intend to become maybe surgeons, go into medicine and become surgeons, because you can think of it maybe as a mini surgery. Because dissection is just like a surgery, because in surgery you cut open a human being in this sense here, but here they work with these organisms, in preparation for that, so they know that to have a view of the internal system of organisms, you need to cut open, and so it's just preparing them towards that.
These students, who have been groomed in different areas of science, are enthusiastically ready both for GCE in June 2025 and for expanding their knowledge in science in the years to come. As scientists state, science is not just about knowing, it is about understanding, not just about seeing, it is about observing. Or better put, science is curiosity in action.